Welcome to our channel. Future of Wi-Fi. Will you be using Wi-Fi 7 soon? Wi-Fi 6 isn't dead yet. Everybody's still catching up with Wi-Fi 6 and 6E. Don't ditch your gear thinking Wi-Fi 7 is mandatory tomorrow. Your phone and router today are still fine. Hardware is the choke point. Even if Wi-Fi 7 rolls out, you need devices that actually support it. Router alone won't cut it. Your phone, laptop, console, all of it needs the chip. Speed looks insane on paper. We're talking 40 gigabits per second plus theoretical. Real world? You won't hit that in your apartment. Walls, interference, your ISP plan, all that drags it down. Multi-link is the game changer. Wi-Fi 7 can use multiple bands at once. So instead of choosing 2.4 or 5 or 6 GHz, it pulls from all. That means less drops and more stability. Don't expect it cheap. Early routers will cost a ton, like $600 to $1,000 type. This isn't going to be budget-friendly for at least year one. ISP limits still apply. Your provider gives you 1 gigabit per second, don't expect Wi-Fi 7 to magically give you 10. Router speed doesn't bypass your internet cap. Backward compatibility saves you. Wi-Fi 7 routers still work with Wi-Fi 6 or older gadgets. You won't lose connectivity, just no shiny new features until you upgrade devices. Early adoption headaches are real. Bugs, firmware updates, devices not syncing right. Happens with every new standard. Wi-Fi 7 will be no different. Expect patches. Good for heavy households. If you've got smart TVs streaming 4K, multiple consoles, laptops, and smart home junk all pulling data at once, Wi-Fi 7 helps. If you're just browsing and streaming YouTube, you don't need it. Timeline is slow. 2025-2026 is when average folks might actually touch it. Enterprise will see it sooner, gamers and early adopters later, everyone else much later. Thank you for watching.